What's up, chuletas? So today we're going to be heading over to the 99-cent store because I heard that there was some good bacon supply deals up in there. And I mean like Wilton, okay? I was shocked. I was like, what the heck? We're gonna see what's all the talk. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you do like cake related videos like this or cake tutorials, because your girl makes cake tutorials, you might want to consider hitting the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any more videos. But anyways, let's go inside. So the first thing that I saw when I walked in, I saw some sprinkles. They have so many colors. They have the little pearl balls like this one, and then they have like the sugar crystal sprinkles. They have pink, orange, yellow, white, gray, blue. I mean, that's crazy. And then a little bit of confetti sprinkles. Then I saw these measuring cups. Not even bad, $2.99. I mean, whatever, you know, it comes together. And then I saw some cookie icings and some piping gel. This was flavored and it was green and sparkly. They had some other colors there too as well. Mira pa allá, some cake liners. And look, they have extracts. I don't know how good they are, but I mean, you can give it a try. You never know. Then I came across this rolling pin. They have blue and they also have red. I thought it was pretty, you know, cool for the price. It's only 99 cents, so why not? Then I came across some whisks for $2.49. Not bad. Also, get a load of this Martha Stewart. Oh my gosh. $1.99. Good quality. And it used to be $15.99, so $16. So, what a bargain, right? You already know your girl had to take it home with her. All right? Then they got those little cheapy ones, but you might as well go with the Martha Stewart. Also found this really cute heart-shaped Valentine's Day cake pan. I thought that was pretty neat, and I believe that was actually 99 cents. Look, I found some more Valentine's Day cookie cutters. If you saw my last walkthrough with me, I did do a whole like thing at Target, Walmart, and I found a lot of Valentine's Day stuff at Target, and these stuff like this too. Oh, and look at this, would be for like your cake pops, and they have little cupcake liners like this. That's awesome. So I'm guessing these are 99 cents. If they don't have a ticket on them, I heard that they're 99 cents, so just double check at the register. Also, look at these little decors here for cupcakes. I see this dog everywhere in here. And look at this cupcake box, treat box kit. That's awesome. Oh, that's cute. That's the pattern. This is not really baking supplies, but you know, if you're making cookies, you can put it in the container. Sorry. And yeah, they have different cute ones. They have this purple one, which I love because purple is my favorite. And they're like, they should be 99 cents. I was super surprised I actually found this here. I didn't expect them to have this. I didn't expect the 99-cent store to have so much bakingware. Like, that's so awesome. $5.99. And then look at this cute little tier tray thingy for cupcakes, for like the mini ones like you see in the picture. $2.99, girl. It's ridiculous. And look at these. These are cute little cake stands. They are made out of plastic, so they're very lightweight. So I would recommend being careful when you place your cake on top. So these are $3.99 for 3-set strainers. I mean, it's perfect for, you know, cake beginner. You're gonna need all those sizes. And then I came across these really ugly measuring cups, but if it tickles your concha, I mean, get it, girl. Te gusta, te gusta. Anyways, oh my gosh, look at these cookie cutters. They're so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. I mean, I don't do cookies like that, but I got really excited. I wanted to get it. It's only $1.99, so I took it with me. Nah, I'm lying. I left it in the store. Anyways, look at this 10-piece set. That's awesome. It comes in a blue green set, and then it comes in a pink and purple set. I really like this one. It's only $4.99, like, and it comes with measuring cups. That is a perfect set if you're just starting out. And then look at this bowl set of 4. This is awesome. Like, I was freaking out all by myself. I look crazy. And they also have it in a different color, because if that color is too loud for you, you got this color. I think I would go with that one. Foam balls, I thought it was perfect for, you know, just in case you want to do something that's lighter weight, you can use the foam balls for like a cake decoration. I found these oven mittens, and then I found these cookie cutters from all the alphabets. This is actually a Wilton brand, so that's pretty good if you're a cookie cutter artist. What the heck? A cookie artist. Then I came across this flour sifter, and then I also saw that they had a lot of cupcake pans and cookie sheets and brownie pans, which is only $1.99. That's crazy. And some more oven mittens. These are actually the good kinds that have like the grip inside. Now for the part that I just could not get over. I was so shocked to see Wilton products in the 99-cent store. Fondant smoother, $1.99. That's insane. And then I went ahead and I saw a fondant roller with the little leveling thing so that your fondant rolls out evenly. And then there's a fondant cutter, $2.99. I was in heaven. I could not believe it. They also have this 4 cookie cutter piece. I don't see why that would be for cookie cutters. It's really small, but I mean, whatever. You could use it for fondant too. So, and then they had these cute little cookie cutters. I've actually seen these in the Dollar Tree, but they're 99 cents, so it's a cent cheaper. You know what I mean? And then I saw this royal icing squeeze bottle. I think it could come in handy for, you know, doing your cake drip. Oh my god, girl, I was so mind blown by this. $2.99 for a cake lifter. Okay, when I first got my cake lifter, it was not no $2.99. So you beginners nowadays are real lucky if you have a 99-cent store. You better get it there. And look at this one, $2.99 for a cake leveler. What a bargain. So that was all for the 99-cent store. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like me to continue making videos like this, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Click the circle button right over here. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.